high ceiling. This is the entrance. And you get little storage. And it's got 3 floors. $600,000. Looks like this. 600K in Rangeview, Calgary, Southeast. I could close up here so you can have a stop and have a look. And this is a little den area for your office. What's this here? Oh, this is the basement not finished. Yeah. And it's the dining, silent kitchen, quartz. And that's a different home. It's a powder room. Upstairs, nice hardwood floors. Laundry right here. Very nice. And let's go have a look. It's family room. That's the way you look like family room to downstairs. Backyard. Nothing here because it's the outskirts of Calgary. So this is one bedroom with a bathroom en suite. 3-piece bathroom with a shower booth. Nice railing, light window here. And this is the 3rd floor. Oh, my breath, I gotta hold my breath. Hold my breath. And extra bedroom. And the closet. And just the storage. And another bathroom. That's it. And then your last bedroom here. And it comes with a 2-car garage in the back. Detached garage. In the backyard. Very high, 3rd floor. You know what I like about it? You can look at that. Like, that's the 1st floor right there. Holy moly, so high here. I feel like you're in a hotel or hostel. So again, it's $600,000 range view in Calgary, Southeast area. Price is $600,000 for this particular house. Any questions you wanna buy? Call me Ryan, 403-493-6557. 403-493-6557. All right, thank you.